Thank you, Mr. Master of Ceremonies. President Yudhoyono of Indonesia, Honorable Baldwin Spencer, Prime Minister of Antigua Barbuda, Honorable Julia Gillard, Prime Minister of Australia, Vice President of the Seychelles, Vice Minister from Colombia, Chairman of Nippon Foundation, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Grenada is very pleased to co-host this event with the President of Indonesia on behalf of co-chairs of the Global Island Partnership, the President of Palau and the President of Seychelles, who are unable to be here today. All of us, including my colleague from Indonesia, share the pleasures and challenges of islands and celebrate this fact and thank GLISPA and Nature Conservancy for providing this platform. I extend a very special welcome to all the leaders who are here. 6 years ago, also in Brazil, Grenada stood on an international stage and committed to conserve 25% marine and 25% terrestrial areas under effective conservation by 2020 in an effort to ensure livelihood for its people. 2 years later, again, on an international leadership platform, Grenada was joined by 4 other Caribbean countries, and we all made a commitment to protect at least 20% of the nearshore marine and coastal habitat by 2020 and launch the Caribbean Challenge Initiative. In addition to Grenada, these Caribbean countries are the Bahamas, Dominican Republic, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Jamaica. I am pleased to report that this early Caribbean leadership has since expanded to include more countries. It has also established innovative mechanisms to advance conservation, livelihoods, and address climate change in the region. Since 2007, this has resulted in nearly 50 new protected areas being declared. This includes 3 in Grenada, with resulting improvement in the natural infrastructure which supports the region. Mr. President, other colleagues, I am pleased to announce that Grenada will co-host a Caribbean Leaders Summit in 2013 with Sir Richard Branson of Virgin United Airlines and also of the UK and the British Virgin Islands. This meeting, which will continue to explore the theme of the value of nature to the region through high-level leadership and the private sector. In closing, allow me to say that each of these initiatives builds on one another to contribute to development of a green and blue economy in Grenada. To make this a reality, we need to work together and build on solutions that work for islands. In this regard, we appeal to all of you for projects that help create further sustainable development that creates jobs and expands people's capacity as part of the new green-blue economy. For our islands, nature underpins all aspects of our lives, our culture, and our livelihoods. It is a great pleasure to co-chair GLISPA and share this event with you. I thank you.